Zeus. Wake up, Zeus. Zeus. Good morning. Good morning, my friends. Someone's a sleepy little pup this morning. I'm really excited because today is the day. Today is the day that my couch has finally getting here after, gosh, I ordered this couch back early mid-March, and for some reason the shipping took a little hot minute, but it's finally here today, and I'm so excited to show you the process. So for those of you that are wondering, I got a Modani Bloom 3 couch in the color white, and I'm already in love, and I haven't even opened it, but I want to bring you along the process because I know I watched a lot of videos on this particular couch and they had questions about shipping and what it looked like, so I want to bring y'all along. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so I wanted to show you all this quick breakfast because it's honestly so good, but it's so easy. And I usually have it with scrambled eggs, but this morning I'm having it with a fried egg, and I'm like, I know it's gonna be good. So basically all you do is take your egg, you need some cherry tomatoes, which I like to toast my cherry tomatoes a little bit. I feel like the sweetness really comes out when you fry them real quick. Not fry them, just put them on the stove. And then some arugula, which I have fallen in love with arugula this year, and it's honestly so good. Y'all, look at this. You cannot tell me that doesn't look so appetizing and so yummy. My bagel seasoning, forgot. So you can also put some bagel seasoning on this and it makes it really yummy. I also like to do a little bit of red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat. Just a little bit though, not too much. All right, let's see. Oh my God. That tomato just burst. It was so hot. So good though. So I'm really excited to unbox this couch. I still have one more piece that's coming at the end of the month. I had to ship out from a different warehouse because I don't know why they didn't have this particular piece. It was on back order, and somehow they magically found it at a warehouse in Miami, so they had to ship it from Miami, but I think the rest of these came from a different warehouse. That's why there's only 3 pieces, or there's really only 2 pieces in the Ottoman, because I did buy the additional Ottoman, and so we're just waiting on an end piece, but I still want to open it and set it up to see what it looks like. I don't think I can wait another 3 weeks just having that sit there. So it's not going to look complete today, but you'll get the gist of it, you know? Okay, my friends, it is time to set this thing up. Let's go. Okay guys, so I am officially done setting up and I'm so happy. This couch is so big and white. Yeah, I'm a little nervous, but we got this, right? So this supposedly has a material that wipes off really easily. So I really am confident that that's the case. I really hope so. By any means, I did buy the additional like protection plan that they offered at the store. So basically, if anything happens, anything spills and I can't get it out, they will come and send professional cleaners to see if those cleaners can get it out. And if they can't, then they'll replace the cushion or the piece. So I did pay, I don't know how much it was, I can't remember. It was a good chunk, but I was like, you know what, to me that's worth it because you never know, you know. In white, everything is just so noticeable. I'm already seeing like some fuzz, which is fine. I mean, I did move it around a lot right now, but so far, like, I don't know, I'm pretty happy with it. Like oh, and I forgot to mention, this is not what it looks like officially. So I put the ottoman in the middle. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is the ottoman right here because I did buy that additional, and normally the ottoman will go over at the end of that one. But my last piece hasn't shipped yet from, they had to ship it from a different warehouse. I don't know why, but they didn't have it in stock where I was trying to go. So they had to ship it at a different place. So they're arriving at different times. I think that one gets here in 2 weeks, which I'm really excited to see. Obviously, I was really excited to see like what it looked like today, but now I'm even more excited to see what the final couch is gonna look like because it'll be even bigger because the ottoman will be at the end of one piece. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Overall, the packaging, I think they did a great job with packaging. As you can see, I have a ton of packaging I need to dispose of now. It came in a plastic material, but then it was also like foam wrapped, and then there was cardboard along the edges. So I think and I feel like it was really securely packaged. Nothing came broken or anything like that. Packaging overall was like A1, so please excuse. All right, back to our original scheduled. But yeah, I think I'm really happy with the shipping. They let me schedule the time that I wanted it to be delivered, and or the day that I want it to be delivered, and then they gave me a time slot the day before, and the delivery guys got here right at 7, which I'm happy because now I still have the rest of the day to do everything that I need to do. But yeah, overall, I'm really excited about this. I cannot wait to see what it looks like completed. And I also need to figure out if I want a coffee table or if I don't want a coffee table. I don't know. I just felt like with no sofa, I felt like my living room was like 10 times larger, and now with the sofa in it, I'm like, whoa, okay, now I gotta deal with some space. But stay tuned. I'm gonna keep y'all on the journey of decorating this living room because it needs a lot of work. But yeah, guys, overall, I'm happy with my purchase. I can't really say fully because I don't have that last piece, and I'm debating on putting this up now or when I get that last piece. I may just put this up now and then film when that other piece comes. But quality wise, I think it feels really good. It feels really sturdy. It feels really durable. There was like a dark spot on one material when I had accidentally put like the edge of one end on the white, and I just wiped it off really quickly and it came off. So yeah, I'm so excited. Like literally, it's so soft.